So on the 17th of April I was at Dunkeld, went to see the PLPR and Inverness intermodal there. However, my first catch today was 1H13, the 1506 ScotRail service to Inverness from Edinburgh with 43181 and 43141. And then his 1Q77, the early 1539 turned up at 1522, closed rail freight service to Inverness from Moss End Down Yard with 37421 and 37116. And then my last catch today was 4H47, the early 1611 turned up at 1552, direct rail service to Moss End Up Yard from Inverness Freight STGS DRS with 66422.